Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Ms. Rida Asif from SM Public Academy, Campus 5. My dear students, we have started chapter number 12 together, that is the triangle. And in this chapter, we were discussing construction of triangle. We have already discussed case 1 and case 2. Today we are going to start case number 3 when measure of one side and two angles are given. Okay, when measurement of one side and two angles are given. Okay, now this is the case number 3. Let me tell you students that today what we are going to do in our classwork, we are going to attempt question part 8. Okay, page number 165, question 3, part 8 together. First, I am giving you here the example question. Okay, then we will start the classwork together. Clear? Any question? Any confusion? Question 3, part 8. Okay, when measurement of two angles and one side are given. A student, here we have to construct triangle DEF when DE is given of 7 centimeter and measurement angle D and angle E is equals to 60 degree. What is meant by this line? What is meant by this line? Can you please tell me that what is meant by this line? That measurement angle D is equals to measurement angle E is equals to 60 degree. It means that angle D is of 60 degree and also angle E is of 60 degree. Got it? Got it or not? बिल्कुल सही शहरोज. Okay, same measurements are given. So here in the given, first of all, write in triangle DEF, measurement DE, measurement angle D, and measurement angle E is given. Okay, and one more thing, don't forget to draw a line on DE because it's a line segment, right? So we have to, one second. Here, what you have to write, there is a mistake. Here you can write D, E, and F, right? That's great. Okay, here you have to mention that you have to exactly Asya. What is required here? Not triangle ABC. Okay, you have to write that triangle DEF is required. Excellent. Now, before starting the steps of construction, let's construct the triangle DEF together, right? So first of all, let's draw a line segment DE. So here with the 7 centimeter, we have to draw a line segment DE. So let's start with the step of construction. Draw measurement DE is equals to 7 centimeter. And here, what is missing here, Asya? We have to draw here a line segment. Clear? You have to draw a line segment here. Now, next point, what we have to do, angle D is given. What is given here? What is given here? Angle D is given. So we have to put the protector on D. Uh, uh, yes, Fauzan, where we have to put the protector? Yes, Arib, where we have to put the protector? Please tell me quickly. Taba, Hamza, where we have to put the protector? At? Yes? Okay. Asya ne Rida, tell us. Yes, Sheroz, Asya, Ramla, very good, bete. We have to put the protector at D and then we have to draw an angle like this. So here, bete, you can mention any name. Ali, here I have taken the name M. I have given the name M. You can mention any name over here, but please don't write F over here. Okay? Where I'm talking about, please on this place, please don't mention the name F, okay? Because it's array, okay? It's array. We have constructed array over here. Now, what I can say in the step of construction, add D, making an angle, measurement angle MDE is equals to 60 degree, draw DM. Okay, like this, draw DM, and here you can see that there is a ray. DM is a ray. What is meant by ray? Ray का मतलब क्या है? Ray has one end point. Okay, it extend only in one direction. So now the third point, angle D is given, E is given, that is of 60 degree. Now you have to put the protector on E, okay? And you have to make an angle again of 60 degree in such a way that it cuts the first ray DM at this point. This point name is F. Okay, this intersecting point. Which intersecting point I'm talking about? Look, this intersecting point where the two rays meet, the point where the two rays meet, this point is called, only this point is called F. So here DEF, you can see that we get the DEF is our required triangle. Okay, here DEF is our required triangle. Clear? Okay, what I have written in the third step, at E, making an angle DEN is equals to 60 degree. Draw EN इंटरसेक्टिंग DM. किसको इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है? इंटरसेक्टिंग द फर्स्ट आर्क नहीं बोलेंगे, क्यों? क्योंकि आर्क नहीं है. इंटरसेक्टिंग द रे. कौन सी रे? इंटरसेक्टिंग DM at F. Okay, that's it. And now after this third step, there is no need to write that join D to F or E to F. क्यों? Because it's already connected. It is already connected. ठीक है? It is already connected. So here you can write DEF is a required triangle. Is it clear? Is it clear? Thank you so much, my dear one, for making my screen so much colorful. Okay. Okay, now second question. Construct a triangle ABC. ABC. Is it clear now? Everything is clear? Yes, Hamza. Are you there with me? Hamza, Saad Khurram, Subhana. Yes, Alishba Sarfaraz. This question is clear now, bete. It's so simple. Now again, Alishba, you can see here angle ABC, triangle ABC construct karenge, and AB is given, and a measurement angle A and measurement angle B both are equals to 50 degree. Alishba Sarfaraz. Alishba Sarfaraz. Please write something in the chat box that this question is clear or not. Arib, write down in the chat box. Say yes or no. Okay. Now, bete, first of all, write down given. And what is required here? What is required here? Bete, here, what is required? We have to construct a triangle ABC. Okay, don't write here triangle DEF. Bete, here ABC is required. So you have to write triangle ABC. That means required is correct, right? Okay, and here in this given we have to mention here angle A is equals to 50 and angle B is equals to 50. Now what is missing over here? We have to draw a line segment. Okay, now before starting the steps of construction, let's construct our triangle together. First of all, what we have to do, okay, Arif saying no. Thank you so much, Arif. Okay, Jay Kumar, Claire, Sumaya, Claire, Alish Pasar. Yes, okay. Okay, now here my students are there. I am going to unmute Alishba Sarfaraz first. Alishba, kindly unmute yourself, bete. Alishba, unmute yourself, beta. Alishba, please, bete, quickly, be quick. Let's discuss something together, Alishba. Alishba. Can you please unmute yourself? Fatma, can you please unmute yourself, Fatma? Jaykumar, can you unmute yourself? Yes, who's there with me? Jaykumar.
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Yes, Jaykumar. Acha.
Draw measurement AB is equals to 6 centimeter.
Is equals to which? Okay, is equals to 6 centimeter. First we have drawn a line segment of 6 centimeter. Bete, if I ask you the question, a line segment has dash endpoints. So what will you say? A line segment having how many endpoints?
Two endpoints.
Excellent, excellent, Jayakumar. Excellent. That means you are preparing yourself for the midterm. Very good. Now, next one is Shehroz. Shehroz, what will be the second? Shehroz, what will be the second step of construction and what we have to do in the second line?
So at A,
Yes.
making meter angle A is equals to 50 degree.
Can you repeat the words again by looking at the screen? Look at the screen. Look at the
At A
diagram.
making
Okay,
at
okay.
A making meter angle A is equals to 50 degree.
बेटे
At A making
मीटर नहीं बोलते, हम बोलेंगे मेजरमेंट्स. ओके, मीटर इज द यूनिट ऑफ लेंथ. ठीक है ना, मीटर सेंटीमीटर, दिस इज द मेजरमेंट. ठीक है, मेजरमेंट. दिस एम स्टैंड्स फॉर मेजरमेंट.
measurement.
वेरी गुड, मेजरमेंट. यस,
At
मेजरमेंट.
A
हाँ, यस.
at A making measurement at A making a measurement angle A is equals to 50 degree.
50 डिग्री. ड्रॉ.
An arc.
No, this is not an
Draw
arc.
and ray. Draw a ray.
Draw a ray AM. Here, look at this.
AM.
Draw a ray AM. Very good, Sheros. I must say that my boys are more active than the girls. Let's unmute Aisha Javed. Aisha, unmute yourself quickly, bete. Yes, Aisha. Aisha, what will be the second? What will be the second step of construction? Yes, Aisha.
At A,
Yes.
making angle BAM is equals to 50 degree, draw AM.
At A, BAM is equals to bilkul sahi, draw AM. Now, what will be the third step of construction? We have to put, where we have to put our protector? At B, Aisha. Okay. When we put the protector at B, here we get this, ray. Okay. So, Aisha, what will be the step of construction then? Can you repeat these words, which I have already told you?
At B,
Yes.
making ABN,
Bilkul
angle
sahi.
ABN
Very
is
good.
equals to 50 degree.
Yes.
Draw B and intersecting AM to C.
Excellent. Intersecting AM at C. Perfect. So ABC is our required triangle. Very good, Aisha. Okay. आयशा, बेटे आप वीडियो क्यों नहीं ऑन करती?
कैमरा खराब है.
Okay, okay. So thank you so much, Aisha. So let's see. Everything is clear now, students. Any question left? Yes, Anya, everything is clear. Say yes or no. Everything is clear. Let's start the work. Any question, bete? Say something in the chat box. Okay, Ramla also wants to give the answer. Okay, Ramla, inshallah, in the next question, I am going to unmute you. Okay, okay, Ramla. Let's start. Let's start the question. No question left. Yes, Arib, this question is clear. Saad Khurram, bete Saad, Hamza, this question is clear or not? Please tell me. Abdul Fawzan, are you there? So let's start the classwork together. Abdul Fawzan, are you there? So what is today's index? Abdul Fawzan. Okay, so today's index is, I have already told you about the index, Aisha Hassan. What is the index for today, bete? Today's index is question 3, part 8. Question 3, part 8. Ali. Ali, is everything clear? Everything is clear na, bete? Question 3, part 8.
8.
Sahi? Okay. So here we have to construct a triangle. What we have to do here, students, write down the question that construct a triangle ABC when measurement AB is equal to 8 centimeter. Measurement angle A, this is measurement. ठीक है ना. आमना मकसूद, दिस इज मेजरमेंट. अनम जफर, दिस इज मेजरमेंट एंगल A. Measurement angle B is equals to 45 degree, and write briefly its step of construction. Maintain your page like this, okay, and then write down given and required quickly. And the same time I'm going to take your attendance. And also one more thing, today I am going to ask few questions about your midterm preparation, inshallah. Okay, so quickly complete your work so that I can ask questions. Okay. Yes. Have you written the index? Students, have you written the index? Yes, Somaya. Have you written the index? Muhammad Talha. Yes, Muhammad Talha. Beta, you all have written the index and you have written the question given and required. Muhammad Talha, this question is clear or not? Fatma Nadeem, Arib, Halima, Iman. Beta, this question is clear. Have you started the classwork? Okay, Talha is saying no, miss. Uh, what happened, Talha? Why this question is not clear to you? Talha, look at the question, beta. Okay, I am explaining this question again by using my notebook. Okay, Talha? So I need your concentration. Okay? I want you to concentrate. So on your screen, in this way, you have to write. You have written here, Asya is showing something to us. Asya, first what we have to do, we have to mention the date, exercise, question, then this is part 8. Construct a triangle and write briefly its steps of construction. Here measurement AB, angle A and angle B is given of 45 degree. Of 45 degree. What we have to do? What we have to do here? Talha, first bete, we can draw here a rough sketch like this. AB is equals to 8 centimeter. Now angle B is of 45 degree, and angle A is of 45 and angle B is also of 45 degree. What is meant by this? That angle A is equals to angle B is equals to 45 degree. It means that both the angles are equal to 45 degree. Now at A we have to draw an angle. Beta, this is 45. That means it is acute. So that means here we get an angle of 45 degree. We can here mention the name M, for example, and here on B we can draw an angle of 45 degree and it must be acute. So acute angle, if we have to draw an acute angle, so it must be like this. Okay, because here if the acute angle is there, तो acute angle इस तरह होगा ना, less than 90 degree. If I draw acute 45 degree, I have selected the outer scale, so I'll get like this. It is obtuse angle. Okay, so we have to make an angle that is less than 90, that is 45 degree over here. So here we can draw a ray. Let's mention the name N over here. So here this intersecting points give you C. Okay, now let's construct it together quickly. Okay, here quickly I am going to draw. First of all, we have to draw a line segment. One second. Now students, here we have to draw a line segment of which centimeter? 8 centimeter. Which centimeter? 8 centimeter. So here there is 8 centimeter. So here mark the point on 8 centimeter. Write this, and then okay, from 0 till 8 centimeter. Here we get, here what we get, A, B and 8 centimeter. Okay, Ali, Ramla, Rida, bete A, B is equals to 8 centimeter. Step number 1. Talha, what is the step number 1? At क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पे? Draw measurement line segment AB is equals to 8 centimeter. ठीक है फातिमा नदीम? बेटे, now what we have to do? Anam Zafar, what we have to do? We have to take the protector, we have to take the D in our hand, and we have to draw an angle A is equals to 45 degree. We have to draw an angle A is equals to 45 degrees. So where we have to put? So simple. If we have to draw an angle A, so we have to put it at A. Simple si baat hai. Okay. Now in such a way that this intersecting point of your protector coincide with this point. Okay. Now like this. Okay. Now one more thing, that this line of your protector properly coincide with your line segment like this. Now students, here you can see that 45 degree, when you are putting your protector on the left hand side, okay, this is a line segment. When you are putting the protector on the left hand side of your line segment, you have to take the inner reading. That means here 45 degree. Okay, one more thing, that 45 means less than 90, and obviously we have to make an acute angle on A. So here this we get an acute angle. Am I right? Here we get an acute angle. We can mention here 45 degree, and this is, we can mention here the name M. Okay, we can take X, Y, Z, but don't write C over here. Okay, Ramla is saying done. Okay, now where we have to put the protector? In the same way, just put the protector on B in such a way that this intersecting point of your protector coincide with this point of B, okay, the corner of the B. Now students, when you are putting your protector on the right hand side of the line segment, this is the line segment AB. When you are putting the protector on the right hand side, okay, when this is your line segment AB. When you are putting the protector on the right hand side, you have to take the outer reading. Okay, you have to take the outer reading. When on the left hand side, take the reading inner scale. You have to read the inner scale. When you are putting the protector on the right hand side, take the reading of outer scale. So outer scale gives you 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 45. Okay, just mark this point 45 and then join this point with the B. Okay, and here you can mention, if you have mentioned M over here, mention the name N. Okay, if you mention X, mention Y over here. Okay, if you mention D here, so you can mention E over here. So simple. So here write down 45 degree. Okay, and this point, which point? The point where the two rays intersect each other, this point is called what? F? No, this point is called C. This point is called C. So ABC is our required triangle. ABC is our required triangle. Is it clear? Everything is clear, bete? Clear? Say yes or no. Say yes or no. Say yes. So here, in this way, you can draw. In this way, you can draw it with me properly, and in this way you can write the steps of construction with me. What we can do here, that at A, making an angle measurement BAM is equals to 45 degree, draw AM, right? Now at B, making an angle ABN is equals to 45 degree, draw BN intersecting intersecting. Here you can see that what we have done at B, making an angle ABN is equals to 45 degree. Draw BN intersecting AM. Okay, no, don't write intersecting the first arc. Intersecting AM at point C. Intersecting AM at point C. Now ABC is our required triangle. Okay, so now you can raise your hands to share your work with me. Only Asya and Ramla, they are raising their hand. Okay, so let's see. Asya is there. Very good. Excellent. Perfect. Excellent, Asya. Excellent. Perfect. Perfect, Asya. Now next copy is of Ramla. Now Ramla is there at A. Bete, in point number 2, A is written with a small letter. At A. A. A, look at this at. Okay. At A, draw BA. BAX. You have written BAX. Can you please show me the diagram? Can you show me the diagram? Okay. Here you have mentioned X at the top. Acha, one thing. One thing, Ramla, let me tell you your correction. Ramla, bete, this is a ray. तो यहाँ पे make arrow over here. Okay, Ramla, these are the rays. So you have to make arrows. Now here the Ramla's copy is on the screen. And one more thing, Ramla, always write capital letter. Always write X and Y capital होना चाहिए, ठीक है? So BAX is equals to 45 degree. Draw AX. बेटे again in steps of construction AX के ऊपर ray बनाइए, ray बनाइए, okay? BY के ऊपर ray बनाइए. Very good. So these are your mistakes. Now next one is Jay Kumar's copy. Jay Kumar. Yes, Jay Kumar. I can't see it properly. Yes. At A, making BAM is equals to 45 degree. Draw AG. Wait, what is written in the second point? Draw AG. You have taken G and H. Okay, again show me the steps of construction. Again show me the steps of construction. Acha, you have written at A, making BAM. Bete, you have written here BAM. ओके BAM आपने यहाँ M लिया है लेकिन ड्रॉ आपने किया AG, तो ये गलत नहीं हो गया? BAM लिखा है, ठीक है? एक ही पॉइंट में आप M भी कह रहे हैं,
मिस GH
देखिए BAG लिखिए ना फिर यहाँ पे, मेकिंग एन एंगल BAG, ड्रॉ AG. इफ यू आर टेकिंग G तो G मेंशन करें. आपने सेकंड पॉइंट में M लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे, ठीक है ना? ये करेक्शन करें क्विकली. Now next one is Rida Rahim. Rida Rahim. Yes, Rida. Okay, Rida's copy is on our screen. BAM is equals to 45 degree. Draw AM. Rida, show me your construction. Show me the construction. Bilkul sahi. Excellent. Now second is Sheroz. Quickly, bete, share the copy on your screen. Quickly. Don't have that much time. Can't see it properly. It's not visible. Okay, AB, and you have taken BAP. AP, P and R. Just show me the construction. You have taken, okay, you have taken one thing that you have mentioned, angle AP is equals to 45. But don't write this over here on the outer side of your triangle. One more thing, please show me your steps of construction again. हाँ, ये नहीं लिखेंगे ऐसे. Show me your steps of construction again. बेटे यहाँ पे line segment नहीं है ये. This is not the line segment. This is not the line segment. Let me tell you one thing. Let me show you by taking my copy. Sheroz, here you have written measurement angle BM is equals to 45 degree. This is wrong. बेटे एंगल के लिए वी नीड 3 vertices. ओके, 3 vertices. कैसे कि इफ वी हैव टू ड्रॉ एन एंगल, शेरोज को यहाँ दिखेगा, तो बेटे हेयर वी नीड MAB. ओके, आइदर MAB और सिंपली वी कैन से दैट एंगल A. अगर मैं दो वर्टेक्स का नाम लूं तो दो वर्टेक्स से या तो लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ होगी या स्ट्रेट लाइन या रे. ओके, क्या मतलब, क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ, यहाँ पे अगर दो पॉइंट्स हैं तो आई कैन गेट हेयर लाइन सेगमेंट या स्ट्रेट लाइन या रे. आर यू गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? तो अगर यहाँ पे आपने दो वर्टेक्स लिए हैं फॉर द 45 डिग्री, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. ओके, टू वर्टेक्स के साथ वी कैन ड्रॉ स्ट्रेट लाइन, लाइन सेगमेंट एंड रे. क्लियर? ये बात क्लियर हो गई? Okay, one more point, that in the steps of construction you have written that, for example, measurement angle MAB is equals to something. ठीक है, तो here don't write line segment over here, it's not a line segment. ठीक है ना, it's not a line segment. Now next copy here, Rida Rahim is there. How many students are raising their hand here? Sania Salim. Okay, Halima is there. Halima is there. Sania Salim is there. Aisha Hassan is there. Aisha, show me your copy. Okay, Ali. Ali is there. Okay, Aisha is there at the spotlight. Okay, here on the screen we can see that Aisha's copies draw AB is equals to 8 centimeter at A, making an angle BAM is equals to 45 degree. Draw AM. बिल्कुल सही. Aisha, can we see your copy construction? Perfect. Perfect. Now next copy is of Ali. Okay, very proper work. At B with BS center, draw an angle of 45 degree at AN. It's wrong. At AN. At AN. What is meant by at AN? आपने AN पर draw किया है an angle. बेटे, when you draw an angle, then you get a ray. Okay, BS center, you have drawn an angle and then you get a ray AN. Okay, you get the ray AN. Okay, these two steps are not written properly, or Ali, the fourth step is also wrong. What I told you, आपने class attend नहीं की properly, Ali. In the end, there's no need to write that join A to N or B to N. Completely wrong. Completely wrong, Ali. Now next copy is here. Draw AB is equals to 8 centimeter at A, making an angle BAM is equals to 45 degree. Draw AM. At B, making an angle ABN is equals to 45 degree. Draw BN intersecting AM at C. देखिए Ali, look at this copy of Halima. Very good Halima. बेटे, when we already draw two rays और वो रेज आपस में इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं, तो बेटे वाई वी आर सेइंग दैट जॉइन हेयर AM एंड BN, ये लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. ओके, ऑलरेडी दीज टू रेज आर ज्वाइनिंग. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज Anamta. Anamta, please start your video, Anamta. Yes, Anamta. Thank you so much, Halima. Now AB at A. Anamta, first mistake in step number 2. बेटे A capital बनाइए. At A, making an angle BAM is equals to 45 degree. Draw AM. Okay. अच्छा, Anamta, remember one thing, that these vertices all must be in capital letter. At B, making an angle ABN is equals to 45 degree. Draw BN intersecting AM at C. ठीक है, everything is correct. Triangle की spelling wrong है, Anamta. Anamta, now show me the construction. Show me the construction. Okay, very good. Very good. Here, Iman is showing us her copy. Iman, unmute yourself. Yes, Iman. Iman. Start your video, bete. Quickly, bete. You are raising your hand, but you are not starting your video. What happened? Start your video. Start your video. Sanya, start your video. Iman, start your video. Quickly, bete. Okay, Sanya is sharing here. Okay, Sheroz, you have done the correction. Bilkul sahi. Now, next one is Sanya. Sanya is there. Sanya, okay, great. Sanya, show me the steps. Perfect, Sanya. Perfect. Sanya, show me the construction. Show me the construction quickly. Show me the construction. Perfect. Perfect. Now here, next copy is of Iman. Fatma Nadeem, bete show me the steps and show me the construction. Okay, at A making an angle, perfect. At B making an angle BAM, BA. It's not visible. Third step, I can't see the third step. ABN is equal to 45 degree. Bilkul sahi, bilkul perfect. Excellent. Now next one, everyone, please. Fatma Nadeem, please bete open your video. Saad Khurram, open your video quickly. Amna Maqsood, open your video. So here, Talha, bete, everything is clear or not? Here, Amna, please open your video. Hamza Kashif. Hamza Kashif. Talha, please open your video, bete. You are not starting your videos, students. Okay, so that's all for today. Inshallah, by tomorrow, I am going to ask question about your midterm preparations. Okay, attend my class. Please attend the class by tomorrow. Okay, and prepare yourself properly for the midterm exam. Inshallah, I'll ask some question about your midterm preparation by tomorrow. Take care and Allah Hafiz.